Okay, so David here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the incredible power of Dropshiply, its amazing features, and I'm going to show you step by step what you can do with this amazing app. So we are into the main dashboard here. This is where you basically are going to connect your store. Now it shows that I'm connected because this one, it's one of our clients' store. It's a store that we built for one of our clients, and it's doing, I would say, pretty good so far. I have a team that actually builds stores for people all over the world, US, Europe, Asia, India. This guy is from India, by the way. And once you connect your store, okay, you can instantly see and manage all the data from your WordPress store right here inside your dashboard. Okay, so you can see some store stats. Here it gives you a quick overview of the stats: total sales, total orders, total products. You can also see your contacts, email, phone, and location will show up right here. And it gives you also some quick SEO stats as well. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see some metrics like domain authority, the site title length of the store, meta description, page authority, Alexa rank. And you can also check the WordPress information about your store, okay, on the right, because as I mentioned you can connect your WordPress stores, anything WordPress, but actually we are working on an amazing feature that will instantly connect Shopify stores as well, okay? It's in development. And if you click here, view complete stats, this one is going to give you much more detailed stats about the store, okay? I'm not going to click now because I want to walk you through this later on. Now, at the bottom, you can see some sales report, a quick report, a brief report of your sales, total sales, average sales, orders, items purchased, refunded, etc. Okay, so what you've seen now, it's for people that already have a store, okay? They just come here, connect their store, and basically they're gonna see all details and stats about their store right here. They will be able to manage everything inside Dropshiply, okay? But what if you are starting completely from scratch with no experience, and maybe you are a total newbie, okay? Pretty simple. We built a complete system where we're gonna show you exactly how to build your store step by step, from picking up a domain, hosting, coming up with a killer niche yourself, products to sell, also importing products to your store, managing orders, customers, automatic fulfillment, and a ton of other stuff. Okay, so it all starts right here with domain name search. Basically here you'll be able to, this is our instant domain search tool, which is built in Dropshiply, and is going to pick you a domain for your store in literally seconds. You just enter a niche and then a ton of domains will show up right here, and then you just pick your favorite one, okay? Or also you can pick up from the lists right here. You can actually click on generator and it's going to generate domains for you, okay, if you need ideas. And then after you picked your domain, you go on hosting. This is the next step. This is where you'll pick up your hosting plan for your store. Hosting will be completely free if you purchased our custom store creation service. We're gonna host the store for you on our cloud service with 100% uptime guaranteed, okay? So we have several different companies that we work with. These are some of the best and very, very cheap to start with, okay? A2 hosting is very cheap. This is one of my companies, like company that I use. HostGator, I used it in the past. It's great for a starter, beginner. Then SiteGround, Bluehost are great as well. Next step, after you pick your hosting, you go niche product spy tool. Now here, with our niche and product spy tools, you'll be able to instantly pick a killer niche for your store and find amazing hot selling products to sell. We have several different tools that we built here inside Dropshiply: AliExpress, eBay, Alexa, Walmart, and also Facebook. This one, it's our interest explorer for your ads, okay? Because once you sell products on Facebook, you need interest to target, and then you can just come here and use this one, okay, which I'll walk you through in a second. And then of course also YouTube. So let's start with AliExpress quickly. We integrated the entire AliExpress platform inside Dropshiply, as you can see right here, so you can find thousands of products that are impossible to even know exist without hours of laborious research. Seriously, pretty much all the categories in AliExpress, you can find them right here. Okay, these are all the categories that you can expand, and a ton of subcategories will show up as well. Like for example, if I click on this one, see, There's a ton of categories and sub niches you can go through and pick your favorite for your store. Okay, this will help you. This will help you greatly coming up with a killer niche for your store. Then next one, eBay. eBay, it's the same thing. Like this, it's our eBay spy tool. You can identify top eBay products right here. You just enter a niche. For example, cooking. Okay, let's say, and then all the products related to cooking will show up right here. Okay, and you can pick your favorite ones to sell. Okay, Alexa is the next one. Pretty much here you can with the Alexa spy tool you can discover traffic stats and global rankings of millions of websites, so you can exploit untapped markets. I mean, look how many niches and categories, subcategories there are here. Okay, there's a ton of categories and websites you can go through. Like, let me click on this one. Like, for example, you can also find thousands of top websites in any niche that you can use as highly targeted interest keywords, phrases for your Facebook ads. Okay, for example, right here you can see like the ton of categories. This is business. Okay, so e-commerce. You can just go here. You can spy on a ton of stuff, and these are interest, by the way, because as you know, probably know, you can copy paste these ones, put them in your ads manager, and you're good to go. Okay, you just go here, export as all the data as CSV, and then you plug and play. I mean, you plug into your ads manager and you're good to go. Okay, now let's move on with the Walmart product finder. Same thing. Again, you can uncover unlimited products on Walmart that you can sell on your store right away. By the way, very soon you will be able also to automatically import products from Walmart as well. Right now, our product importer, this one right here, only works with AliExpress, but in the future you'll be able to import from Walmart and many other different platforms. Okay, no worries, they are in development and will be added very soon. Okay, so let's move on into the Facebook Ads Explorer. Okay, the Interest Explorer right here. This one is really cool because it instantly uncovers thousands of profitable interest keyword phrases for your Facebook ad campaigns. Because you know that when you sell an e-com product on Facebook, like I was telling you, you need audiences to target, right? So you just type a niche here. So let's go with cooking. Okay, cooking right here, then hit search. And then a ton of different interests related to cooking will show up. So let's say that you are into this niche. You come here and you check the audience size. It gives you the audience size. You can click on view on Facebook and it brings you to the specific fan page. You can also export all your interests, okay, right here in one click. Just click here and then upload in Facebook. This is very powerful, guys, because it gives you the exact audience size. You can see this one are pretty big, but as you scroll through the pages, they're gonna be like less and less, bigger. Like this one are very easy to target, very targeted. Okay, much more targeted. Like 9. See, these are super targeted. And then we have YouTube. Okay, you go here, click YouTube. Same thing. You can just enter a niche. Once again, let's do cooking. And then all the videos related to your niche, to cooking, will show up. Top related niches, top related videos in the cooking niche. Like, for example, you can see what's trending, the engagement of each video, which ones are getting the most views, okay, the likes count. Right here, the dislike, you can the comments, you can check everything. Okay, how many views they had. Okay, this one's looks like they're pretty big. So think about what you can do here. You can get ideas of what niches are hot out there, but not only that, you can use this ones for ads. If you do Google ads, you can target these videos. You can grab the links of these videos and you can just target your competitors' videos. Okay. Now let's move on to the product importer right here. With our one-click product importer, you can import hundreds of products to your store within minutes. Literally, you can import by keyword SKU or by URL, okay, which is very no one has this. I mean, like, you can just you can just grab the URLs of the products if you know them. You type them here, hit search, and then all the products will show up right here, okay. But I'm just gonna type, I'm just gonna go with this one right now. So let's do, for example, you can just eat like jewelry. Okay, let's type jewelry. Let me give you a quick example now. Jewelry. And then hundreds and hundreds of products will show up right here. Hundreds of pages of results. This is taken directly from AliExpress, guys. Okay, pages of results. And like I said, this is your entire AliExpress platform right here inside Dropshiply. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see a ton of pages right here. You can just go through all these products and you're good to go. So all you have to do to import products to your store, pretty simple. Click on add to import list right here. And I'm gonna add this too right now. So I'm gonna just grab a couple. Okay, let's do this one. Looks like it's pretty good. It's gonna take like literally like 3 seconds to add products. So to import products. So let's do also this one. Okay, add to import list. Okay, this one it's great. Okay, so now they will be automatically added to your import list right here. Okay, import list. So you go here, click here, and you're gonna find your 2 products that we just imported right here. Basically here you're gonna see all imported products. Okay, so there's a ton of products right here now that I have imported. See this one, these 2 that I recently imported. Okay, so there's also other products that I have imported. Yeah, but these ones actually are pretty good. Like, okay, let's do this one. Like, you can see the price, the import date, okay, also the store name from AliExpress. So this is pretty cool. You can edit all your listings. You can publish to your store. Okay, right here. This is publish, this is edit, and this is delete products. Okay, let's say that you don't like a particular element in your listing. Okay, and you want to edit the AliExpress listings because they are pretty bad. So no problem, you just click on edit. Okay, you just go here, click edit, and then you can edit pretty much everything about the listing, about the product, like images, title, category, product description, features, you know, product variants, and much more. Okay, there's a ton of product details, optional fields, you know, ton of different stuff. You go here. Here is where you edit the description, the features, and all the stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna actually save it. Okay, right now, because it's done. Okay, this one. So after you have done that, you just click on save, and the listing will be saved. Okay, then you can just publish to your store. Okay, after you edit it, you can just publish to your store. This one right here. It's gonna take a few seconds. Remember, every time you publish products, it's gonna take like approximately 45 seconds, 1 minute. Once they are published, your products will end up in the published products list right here, the tab right here. You just click here, and this is where you will keep track of all your published products, all the products that you published. Okay, they will all show up here. Okay, now I didn't publish any product because I wanted to show you quickly, but yeah, you will see them right here. Now let me walk you through the import ready products. This is another amazing section that we built actually for people that don't have time. They're kind of lazy, you know, don't have time to import products themselves, edit the listings themselves, adding products to their stores. So we are going to do it for them. Okay, 100%. So you just pick your favorite niche category from here. Okay, you just go through the hundreds of categories, you pick your products, and then you just click import, and they will be automatically published to your store. Okay, these ones are all edited already. Okay, we're just gonna give you like the best of the best products from AliExpress. Okay, the hot selling ones. Okay, you don't need to do anything yourself in this section. Okay, you just import the best products. You check the price right here, and you just import them. Okay, now let's move on to Store Manager. Store Manager has a ton of subcategories right here. I'm gonna walk you through each one of them. Now, the Store Manager pretty much is the dashboard where you will be managing all your products, orders, customers. You'll check all the stats about your store, managing coupons, creating them, adding them, all right here. Okay, so let's start. Store status. I'm gonna click on this one now. Basically, this is massive right here because it gives you, it's loading, it gives you a complete overview of the status of your store. What's happening, every little detail about your store, it's right here. You can check like WordPress information right here, the WordPress environment, all the info right here. You can also check the server environment. You can, scrolling down, database, security. Oh, and this one right here, this is killer information because it tells you all the plugins that are currently installed on your store. Okay, it also tells you the ones that are inactive. So right now, this client has 38 plugins installed. So yeah, $350,000 in sales. I can see that. Inactive plugins, so 7 inactive plugins, and then of course you can check like other plugins, some settings, okay, some more information, theme, the theme that it's currently installed on your store, templates. Okay, I think this is for a PHP, something like that. Not sure, but anyway. This is powerful because you can get an overview, overview stats of your store. Let's move on to manage orders now. Manage orders. Here, you'll be able to manage all your orders in one place, like all of them. I'm gonna cover all the customer info right now, okay? Because this is actually an actual store that we built for one of our clients, and I don't want people to know about this private info, okay? But you can see all the customers' information here. These are all the orders, customer's name, everything, okay? This is crazy. And you can see exactly who's buying, what they bought, and also how much you're making from your stores, okay? Yeah, kinda, it gives you an idea of the price, okay? But actually, you can check that later on. And if you click on sync orders, okay, right here at the top, all your orders will be automatically synced to Dropshiply in real time, and also all new orders on your store will also automatically update here, okay? Now, let's move on. Manage products. This is our product manager right here, where you'll be able to manage all your products at once. This is crazy because all your products will be displayed right here. Okay, you can check the status, published, processing, in stock, and more. Okay, tons of information right here. Customers, this is our customer manager. Again, this is where all your customers will be instantly tracked in Dropshiply. Okay, again, I'm covering the customers' data, okay, because I don't want to get it out there, but you get an idea. This is extremely powerful. And then, of course, we have manage coupons. This is where you'll be able to manage and create. No, actually, manage your coupons to create a coupon. You see, these are coupons that my client created. You just go here, add a coupon, and you just create your coupon code. Okay, expiry date, description, discount type, amount, usage, restriction. You can also limit the restriction. Limit the usage and usage limits. Okay, right here. So that's pretty powerful stuff. Now, let's move on to the advanced settings tab. This is another powerful section that we built right here. Now, these are some specific advanced settings that you can set for your store, okay? You have two types of settings, order settings and dropship settings. With order settings, you can control the entire order settings of your store. Whatever you set here, it will be automatically be set with every order, okay? For example, if you want to update the tracking information, you can do it right here. Okay, upload traffic information here. You can also send some specific messages both to AliExpress and your customers when you dropship, whenever an order is dropshipped, okay? You can choose between AliExpress message or customer message, okay? Up to you. AliExpress message, this is for AliExpress to tell the seller to not include any labels with the order, okay? You just go here and you type your message. Please do not include any label with my order, so the customer won't know that the order is coming from AliExpress. And I think that's pretty cool, okay? If you want to dropship a product, you don't want the company to know about that, okay? Especially AliExpress, you want to keep it secret. So that's perfect. You just select this one. Customer message, the second option, this is a message that you want to send to your customer, okay? Anything, okay? Maybe a coupon code or something special, a discount, whatever you like. These are two powerful features for the customer. Whenever there is a new customer, a new order on your store, these things will be automatically be attached to every order, okay? So now, dropship settings. Here you have several different options, okay, that we built inside Dropshiply, and this is extremely powerful, and I'll tell you why in a second. So you got general settings, pricing rules, product watchdog, and auto order settings. So let's start with, I'm gonna walk you through the most important ones, okay? So pricing rules. Let me talk about this ones because this is very, very powerful. I want to tell you this is one of our most exciting features that we built. Here you'll be able to create pricing rules so you can have consistent margins for all the products that you sell. Okay, and it's very, very powerful. We have also the product watchdog right here. It's another amazing feature. It watches for all the price changes and automatically update them. Okay, a watchdog. So yeah, we have our inventory watchdog as well. Basically, this one, when you set on, okay, it keeps an eye on inventory changes and automatically restock products, so you'll never sell something your vendor run out of. Okay, you can set here restock, and then when disable price monitor, you can also monitor the price. When cost changes, you can set some rules right here. Okay, now auto order settings, here it's where your orders are going to be auto fulfilled. You can upload the tracking number to your store automatically once synced from the supplier. You can also choose to override your customer phone numbers, okay, in case you get those. All orders or overrides without phone number, okay. And then you can also leave a message to your customer when he purchases, okay, which I think it's pretty cool. You can say thank you for purchasing or something like that, okay. Attach customer note to purchase note, okay, right here, boom. And then you just save changes, okay. Now, let's move on into the real meat and potatoes right here that we built inside Dropshiply, automation triggers. Okay, I'm going to walk you quickly through this. We have created a highly specialized technology that we custom built inside Dropshiply, okay, which is called automation triggers, okay. It's going to completely automate entire e-com processes for you, okay. The automation trigger technology, it's very similar to Zapier, and it's like having your own Zapier inside Dropshiply. Okay, so let me remove this one really quickly so I can show you. Okay, and pretty much you can automate all those critical store tasks so that you can rapidly scale your e-com business to the 6- and 7-figure level fast. Okay, and basically you'll be able to trigger certain tasks and automate them. Okay, so for example, you can trigger an autoresponder integration. Okay, for example, if you click a Weber, it's gonna give you certain triggers. Okay, right here, this trigger works with WooCommerce, so it automatically import all your customers into a Weber, so you can create an email list and sell more products in the future. Okay, you can do the same thing with MailChimp right here. Okay, Sandy and GetResponse as well. Okay, right now it only works with this 4, but we're gonna add many more autoresponders in the future. Okay, you just connect right here and it will automatically do the import. Okay, now let me remove this one. Google Sheets, this one it's really cool because it gives you 2 tasks that you can trigger right here. Okay, with this one, for example, you can import all your customers' data to Google Sheets, so you can retarget them at a later date. And I think it's really, really cool if you do ads, if you do retargeting ads. Okay, you can connect right here, click connect, and then it all automates everything. Now, for WooCommerce, this one we have some tasks for WooCommerce tasks as well. This is when a new order when there is a new order in your store, you can automatically email customers who buy specific products and give them a coupon for their next purchase. Okay, you just connect and boom. Same for WordPress. This one triggers certain tasks related to WordPress. With Twilio, this is very powerful because you can actually you can connect your store with Twilio and it triggers many tasks. You can automatically get notified when a new order is placed. Okay, right here you can get a summary of your daily orders in your store, and you can also send order confirmation messages to your customers all automatically. Okay, so like I said, this is a very cool technology, the automation trigger technology that we built. Completely brand new, completely original, and you definitely want to have this one because it's going to automate your entire business in 5 seconds and literally cut your workload dramatically. Right now we have only 9 triggers here, okay, but we're going to add a ton more in the future. Okay, now moving on, and also of course here you can just click here, create a trigger now. Basically this one, it's to connect like to start the triggers, okay? But let's do Search Console and SEO Analyzer now, because this is very powerful. So with a Search Console and SEO Analyzer, you'll be able to get a ton of secret data, analyze it, and optimize your store to get higher traffic and literally skyrocket your rankings to the first page of Google in minutes. Okay, so Search Console, if you click here, basically you'll be able to instantly connect your store to the Google Search Console. Now this store, it's already connected. I'm not gonna disconnect and know exactly what's happening in your store. Okay, so for example, you can see what your most top visited pages are in your store. Okay, right here, you can see this ones and you can scroll through them. It's crazy, like how many information you can get here. You can see the impressions, clicks, CTR, position of the keywords. You can also which country, you can see which country your store is pretty much getting the most traffic from. Okay, it looks like India, Argentina. Look, there's a ton of different countries here. And top queries basically are the keywords that you're ranking for. You can see those and how many clicks, like the position in the search engine, that I mean the clicks, the impressions, the position. This one is the position in the search engine that each keyword has. Okay, it tells you exactly with what keywords your customers are finding you. Okay, and a ton of other data as well. Okay, look, this one also mobile and desktop. You can check keywords like everywhere, like both mobile and desktop. Pages and pages of stuff that you can check. Okay, mind-blowing. And then we have also our SEO Analyzer. Basically with this one it's an all-in-one tool that checks all the SEO stats of your store in one click. Okay, literally, you just click check and it starts instantly run unlimited analysis with more than 20 different SEO variables and metrics that you can track. You can also spy on all your competitors. Just grab their links, put it here, run the search, click check, and get important info on their SEO as well. Okay, and yeah, you can also export right here and get a report of your SEO stats for further analysis. Okay, now we have also built an amazing dashboard here, analytics dashboard. Okay, with the sales reports and analytics dashboard right here. You have a ton of different subcategories. You'll be able to see hundreds of secret insights about your store in seconds. Analytics are very, very important, and without them, you'll be completely flying blind because you don't know what's going on in your business. If you know your numbers, you can track, optimize, and scale fast. So this is very, very crucial. Okay, and this is exactly what our real-time analytics dashboard does for you. Okay, so we have several different subcategories or reports: monthly sales, country-wide sales, repeating customers, year-wide sales, product sales report. Okay, so if I click on all reports, you can see all your store sales. Okay, right here, there's a ton of different information that you can check. It's absolutely mind-blowing. Okay, like you can check your sales from like, let's say you can check every month. You can also see you can check like sales reports, order reports, product reports, top selling products. You can check your best sellers, total selling countries. Like you can see the chart right here. It's crazy information right here. And then we have also monthly sales, where you'll be able to check your monthly sales, how much your store is actually generating monthly. Okay, ton of information, pretty insane. Like monthly product sales, current month sales. You can check also the top seller of the month, which product is selling the most. Now, of course, you have also country-wise sales, and this one is actually gonna you can see the total sales by country here. Like it tells you exactly which country is generating the most sales revenue for you. Okay, it's pretty powerful stuff. You can also see the products that are sold the most in each country, and then repeating customers. I think it's one of the most craziest insight that you can check, because you can literally spy on every customer that bought from you. Okay, gives you the name, country, number of sales, shipping. You can also check the products they bought. Okay, and the month the month they bought. Okay, so for example, this customer right here, once you know this data, you can identify your VIP customers. So this one definitely is going to be your VIP customer because it spent like almost $10,000. Okay, so you can sell more stuff to these guys in the future. You know, pretty powerful stuff. And then year-wise sales, it gives you a total overview of your sales. You know, today, yesterday, last month, this year. Okay, it's a huge dashboard where you can have a complete breakdown of all your sales, and also you can get you can check like the payment method reports. Okay, basically you'll see each payment method that is used the most. This report will help you make decisions based on the most popular payment methods that are used, okay, by your customers. Okay. Then of course also product sales report. This one is it gives you like an overview of your sales. Okay, it gives you reports of all your sales, monthly sales, and also product wise sales, all right here. Okay, you can check everything, best selling, hot selling, everything, all the products that are selling the most. This one, the product that are selling the most on your store, like you'll be able to see best sellers, products that are most wanted by your customers, so you can find inspiration for products that you should launch next. Okay, and monthly product sale, actually this one, top selling products of the month. Yeah, you can see exactly which ones are selling the most each month. Okay, because it gives you the month right here. Okay, now moving on to store creation. Okay, this one is actually our custom store creation service. Basically, if you have any trouble creating your store yourself, setting it up, you know, install it, no problems. My team is gonna build a full-blown drop shipping store ready to take orders completely from scratch, so you can basically, you know, you don't have to do any work on your part. Okay, so right here, this is where basically you will see, we will communicate with you right here. Okay, you will check, you will log into Dropshiply. If you buy the package, like the store creation service, the ready-made store, we are going to communicate everything with you right here. You will see updates in the timeline view right here. Okay, tutorials, this is where all the tutorials will be. And then Dropshiply App Store. This is probably one of the most amazing features we created for Dropshiply. Basically, we have our custom inbuilt App Store, which is similar to Shopify, where you'll be able to instantly download a ton of custom made apps specifically built for Dropshiply. Okay, you can search apps here. Okay, you can just enter your favorite one. Okay, your favorite niche, category, whatever. And you can also check our featured apps. We're gonna have a list of featured apps right here that you can pick, trending apps. Okay, you can click here, see more, and also all the apps made by us will be shown here. Okay, look how many. And also you'll be able to check our these apps, by the way, we will be building apps specifically made for Dropshiply, okay, in the future. So, and of course you can explore all the app categories right here at the bottom. Okay, and then lastly, we have also created a section for themes. We're gonna recommend you themes for to use for your store. We're also gonna build themes for you. Okay, we have already some themes, some free and some premium. Okay, that you can check them right here. Okay, now they are not showing up, but they will be here. Okay, all right, so I think that's it for this demo. I've covered a lot of stuff right here. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you on board.